Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a focused library and event so your footage stays organized. Name them intuitively. Next, import your clips by dragging folders or using File Import Media, and watch thumbnails populate the browser. Once done, set the project properties, choose resolution and frame rate like 24 or 30 to match your footage, because matching here avoids conforming issues later. Make sure clips are analyzed for stabilization or audio rolls, as needed before you move on. You assemble your story on the magnetic timeline by inserting clips and letting gaps close automatically. This keeps momentum. Then refine cuts. Use the blade for splits, the trim tool for roll and ripple edits, and open the precision editor when you need frame-accurate transitions. Once clips are shaping up, assign roles and keywords and create compound clips to manage complex sections. This makes bulk adjustments and audio mixing much easier. Make sure to save a version duplicate before major restructures. You finish by choosing Share Master File or a delivery preset and confirm codec, resolution, and audio channel mapping, so playback remains consistent across platforms. Before exporting, apply a final color grade and a dedicated audio pass to level dialogue and reduce noise, because these fixes avoid last-minute re-exports. If export fails or has glitches, clear render files, verify the chosen codec is supported, and relaunch Final Cut Pro. That sequence fixes most common issues and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.